I'll get started in series lows. Yeah, okay, let's get started. Yeah, space, I'm gonna take it off my watch list. It's just coming out of a 2-day consolidation. I don't think there's an edge on the short side, but you know, it could go up much more. I really hope this thing. I'm stocking this NIO. I took a tiny starter position yesterday. It looks pretty good. It's getting tight. You know, higher lows for over a month now. It's building. You know, it's getting really tight on the chart. Tesla, I sold everything when it took in pre-market, and I went and shorted it because started short. I'm gonna, if it goes green, I'll cover, and I may add more on or a break of yesterday's lows. This could be a potential double top or lower highs, but yeah, we'll see. We will see. And then GBT, I'm just stalking. I have these Ethereum things that pulled back yesterday. This ETHE also. This one actually closed green. Labo, I'm probably gonna sell it today, even if I don't get stopped out. We'll see. I just think we're getting a little bit too extended in the markets. I'm just not excited about this thing. It keeps steaming higher. Yeah, most things look pretty good. The fuel cell stocks pulled back pre-market. Like BLDP had like a 15% pullback in pre-market. Fuel cell pulled back a little bit, and Plug is actually green. It's actually above yesterday's highs, so that's the strongest one. Funny because Plug was the laggard yesterday or 2 days ago, and now it's the leader. So yeah, these sector plays are very dynamic. So, and then there's a bunch of gappers. SCDG had monster earnings, really good earnings. Zillow, great revenue growth, but they are losing so much money. There are really no profits in sight for the next. I don't know. And obviously they are not buys here. They're up. Zillow is up like over 100% in 4 months. So they're not buys here. They need to go sideways for preferably a few months. Stamp is gapping higher. Sting is up from the May lows. Sting is up 300%. Amazing. Big swings. This thing was 280s just like less than 2 years ago. Argent gapping down, had a nice run since the last earnings report. Fiven is a very slow name. NVTA is gapping down. Yeah. Nothing I'm looking to buy pre-market. I'm watching this NIO 410 break or whatever it is, yes, above yesterday's highs. I'm watching Tesla. That's pretty much it. And I'm gonna just manage my position. NIO already 2.5 million shares traded. Pretty amazing. Just incredibly shit. NIO. Oh man, I feel the tiny. Damn, what a rocket ship. Okay, Tesla, I added some to my short. Ooh, nice. Okay, Labo, I got stopped out. BBI, enormous volume in this. KRMD, yeah, the nice looking breakout yesterday, but it's totally untradeable for me. Sure, it can go much higher, but you know, I can't trade this thing. But it looks good at higher lows, at a nice range. It's a textbook flag breakout yesterday. Oh, NIO! Oh, I had 30,000 shares from yesterday, and I managed to add another 20,000 today. I wanted to add 50,000. It's going straight up. Tesla on the 60-minute chart is just on a rising support line here. If it can't bounce here, I think it will pull back. We'll see. It's too early to tell. I'm short a couple of thousand shares right now. Lyft, there's nothing here. It's just in the middle of a range. It's been building higher lows since October, but right now it's the middle of nowhere. I don't like it. Not my type of setup. My piece of shit VSTM is looks like it wants to break out today. Fuel cell bounced off the rising 20 period line on the 60-minute chart. BLD looks pretty decent too from the opening dip. Space looks like it wants to go to space. You know what? Maybe opening range highs on space. It's been building higher lows on the 1-minute chart. I don't know. Just a token position in case it goes to like 50. I don't know. Nah, probably not. NIO, it's not going to dip. Damn. Well, I guess 50,000 shares is better than nothing, but I don't want to chase it either. Their indices, they look good. And Russell hasn't even really broken out yet. Small cap index or ETF. Okay, space. Should I buy some? Let's risk $1.50. Nah, I'll pass. I'm gonna cut the stream a bit earlier today. I have something I have to do, so I'll cut the stream in about 15-20 minutes. There's not much going on anyway, so should be fine. BLDP, nice little bounce so far. I'm gonna up a little bit. Fuel cell, same thing here. I'm gonna raise my stop. Raising my stop on a lot of things. How much can NIO run? I don't know, $5-6, $7? I don't know. I mean, 5 would really be a conservative target. I think very realistically $5-6, maybe even more. I mean, this is an extreme momentum stock. It's up from September to January. This thing ran up 360, and then it pulled back 39%, and it's been kind of going sideways for about 2 months here, or a month and a half, and building higher lows all the way. Really, it's been building higher lows for 3 months, and now it's just taking out this little descending triangle. So, you know, this thing can really go, really go. And the best part, this is type of stock you can risk like 10 cents to make $1, $2. That's the main part, and it's ultra liquid. So, you know, unfortunately I have very small size. NET is starting to take out this little IPO breakout. It's been building higher lows since October. A lot of shorts that look just higher lows for the past 4 months, 3 months. This is a very thin, untradeable for me. Tesla is probably gonna stop me out of my short. You know, it kind of looked like a spinning top candle or whatever you want to call it. I thought this was like a lower highs, but we'll see. I mean, if it sets up well again, I may go long, but it's probably gonna take a few. Okay, now a bunch of my portfolio is starting to turn green. Zoom has gone green, LK has gone green, Viva has gone green, Plug is, like, all of these things gap down, and several others are about to turn. Oh, BLDP, interesting. Big strength in these names. I have a lot of green energy type of things in my portfolio. And LAC, this lithium play. I have palladium, which I think is used in batteries. I have Tesla. Okay, I am short, so it doesn't count. But I also, you know, NIO, Plug, LK, not LK, well, BLDP, and like half of my portfolio is green. Yeah, my green energy portfolio is going green. Tilray triggered. Oh, look at this, Tilray. What are the other ones doing? Chrome, NJ. Okay. Yeah, Nasdaq is just incredibly strong. I just wonder, I really think there's a chance we go parabolic. Like, we go like to 11,000 or maybe even higher without any kind of pullback. That would be super epic. Space is still building higher lows intraday, and it's gonna be the highest volume candle for this thing. These are hourly candles, and 24 minutes in, it's already the highest volume candle ever for this. It's just incredible volume. At this rate, it's gonna trade over 100 million shares today, easily over 100 million shares. SQM and ALB, these are two lithium producers, very strong over the past few months, especially ALB, which is stock. Very interesting things are happening. And obviously the solar names, EMPH, green energy has been the theme so far this year. And oil obviously looks like shit. Stamp, I don't know, I haven't looked at the report. I mean, it's kind of a turnaround situation. I'm not super excited about it. It's not my type of thing. But yeah, it looks good, and you know, it's up nicely from opening range highs. Maybe it goes to 200, what do I know? I'm just not good with turnaround type of situations. Not really my thing. Nope, you just create a new chart. That's how you get several charts. No magic involved. What's Beyond Meat doing? Weak from... NET is really going. Cloudflare. I recognize the name. Yeah, wow, holy shit. Yeah, Tesla, I think I'm gonna get stopped out. Short. Incredible volume. 23 million in the first 30 minutes. Wow. LTHM is another, I think, lithium stock. Yeah, I'm watching this space. I have an order in. It breaks above this range. I'm gonna buy 10,000 shares. I'm gonna risk $1 on the trade. I mean, this thing could really do something fantastic. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna risk about 80 cents. No, 41.40 is my. Sorry, 39.40s. You know, it's been building higher lows. You can clearly see it. The 1 minute chart. I usually don't trade off the 1 minute chart, except for like first 5 minutes. This is an extreme momentum stock, extreme volume. So we'll see. I'm probably gonna get stopped out. Let's go to this. Okay, stream, because I have a thing I have to do. Thanks for joining, and I will see you tomorrow.